In this video, we'll learn about Quaternions, a powerful mathematical tool with applications in 3D graphics, computer animation, and robotics. Quaternions are a type of number that extends complex numbers to 4 dimensions. Quaternions are useful for representing rotations in 3D space, making them valuable in computer graphics, animation, and robotics. Quaternions are a compact and efficient way to represent rotations, and they avoid some of the problems associated with other methods, such as gimbal lock. To understand Quaternions, we need to review a few basic concepts. Complex numbers are numbers that have a real and an imaginary part. Vectors are another important concept. Vectors have both a magnitude and a direction. A quaternion is a number that has a real part and 3 imaginary parts. The real part of a quaternion represents its scalar component, while the imaginary parts represent its vector component. The imaginary part of a quaternion is a vector that has 3 components: I, j, and k. Quaternions can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided, just like complex numbers. To add 2 quaternions, simply add their real parts and their imaginary parts separately. Multiplying 2 quaternions is a bit more complicated, but it follows a similar pattern to complex number multiplication. Quaternions have many applications in 3D graphics, animation, and robotics. Quaternions are particularly useful for representing rotations in 3D space. In computer graphics, quaternions are used to represent the orientation of objects in 3D space. We've covered the basics of quaternions and explored their applications in 3D graphics and animation. Let's recap what we've learned about quaternions. If you're interested in learning more about quaternions, I've included some resources in the description below.